shit is fucking for real, nigga. Well, I'm out here in these streets, nigga. Hashtag All Green Money, All Green Promotions Entertainment, nigga. That's how cold it is out here. I can't even talk. It's the back streets of motherfucking Hollis Ave. I wanna say this is the back streets of Hillside and Hollis. It's real out here, man. Niggas is trying to get out. There's no reason to come out. You know what I mean? Stay the fuck in the house. If you gotta stay in the house, stay in the house. Cause it's real out here. So you see niggas trying to get their cars out. Streets is mean. If you ain't gotta go out, don't go out. It's crazy. All Money Green Promotions. Hashtag All Money Green Promotions. We out here. We covering the snowstorm. Holla!